what we're looking at is a transition that's happening in the way that our economy works, right? We have been in a account-based economy pretty much our entire lives, right? Banks, you have a checking account, you have a savings account, you might have a brokerage account, you might have a retirement account. These are all separate accounts. And each of these accounts is kept on its own ledger by whatever organization you hold it with, the bank, the brokerage firm. It's all very fragmented. We're moving away from that, Scott, to a wallet-based system. And that wallet-based system is one where all your assets sit in your cryptographically protected wallet. And if we want to move cash around in that system, that is the role that stablecoins are playing. It's bringing the fiat currency out of today's traditional banking system or brokerage networks, and it's moving it into this wallet-based ecosystem, which is where the crypto blockchains exist, where the cryptocurrencies exist, and this is why stablecoins are so important. They're both the on and off ramp, but more importantly, they've really become the liquidity vehicle to keep assets in this wallet-based system.
Matt Hogan gave me almost the exact same answer yesterday from Bitwise. Similar, he said, I don't think people are ready for the fact that everybody is going to have a wallet, and this is the way that we're going to interact. And hearing you say it really reconfirms that. And then I made the point, it's not just a crypto wallet. There's also going to be tokenized everything. So it's likely where you're going to also trade your stocks and manage your portfolio and take loans and earn yield. I mean, is that the future where we can literally get all financial instruments into one wallet and it will be effectively blockchain will be the underlying technology of that?
100%. I mean, this is exactly where I think we're headed. And it's going to happen a lot faster than people anticipate, right? I mean, this isn't going to be a 10 or 20 year transition. I think that we're going to see more progress in the next 5 years than we've really seen in the last 50 in terms of reconfiguring the way that the financial markets work. The last time we had a period like this in our history was when they had the paper crisis in the late 1960s. And they actually then invented the whole system that we've been using for the last 50 years, using the leading technology of that day, which was the computing technology, right? And so that's what allowed us to immobilize and dematerialize securities. That's what allowed for the creation of these centralized clearing, utilities that we see like the Depository Trust Company. And that's what led to today's account-based system. So what we're really seeing is the next iteration and the next evolution of the financial market infrastructure.
The Depository Trust Company, the DTCC, is very publicly testing blockchain technology.
Right.
They're doing it right out in the open, effectively, I think, trying not to become the next Blockbuster or Kodak or Sears Roebuck, basically disrupting themselves before they get disrupted by the industry.